Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to log into your Salesforce account. First, open your web browser and go to the official Salesforce login page. You will see two fields, one for your username and one for your password. Enter your unique username and then your confidential password into these boxes. After carefully inputting both, simply click the Login button to securely access your Salesforce environment. This process typically takes only a few seconds. While the standard username and password method is common, many organizations use single sign-on, or SSO. With SSO, you might use your company network credentials, like your email and network password, to access Salesforce. This eliminates the need for a separate Salesforce-specific password. Always check with your administrator if you are unsure which login method your company employs. Understanding your specific method ensures a smooth and efficient login experience every time. Encountering login issues can be frustrating, but solutions are readily available. If you forget your password, simply click the Forgot Your Password link on the login page to reset it. Be sure to enter your credentials accurately, as even a small typo can prevent access. Your account might lock after 5 incorrect attempts for security reasons. For locked accounts or persistent problems, your Salesforce administrator is the best resource for quick resolution. Keeping your Salesforce account secure is paramount. Always create a strong, unique password that includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. For enhanced protection, enable two-factor authentication, which requires a second verification step. Never share your login details with anyone, and always log out of your account when you are finished working, especially on shared computers. These simple steps significantly boost your account's security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.